Hey everyone, and welcome back to Conics. Ever wonder why you still see so many older Toyotas, Hondas, and Nissans cruising around, looking almost as good as new? It's not just your imagination. Japanese cars have built a rock-solid reputation for being incredibly durable, often outlasting their competitors by years, if not decades. But what's their secret? Is it some kind of automotive magic? Today, we're popping the hood to uncover the real reasons behind the legendary durability of Japanese vehicles. It all starts with a deep-seated cultural philosophy. In Japan, there's a concept called Kaizen, which means continuous improvement. This isn't just a corporate buzzword. It's a way of life that's deeply embedded in their manufacturing process. Instead of chasing flashy, unproven trends, Japanese automakers like Toyota and Honda focus on perfecting what already works. They refine their engines, transmissions, and electronics over generations, making small, incremental changes that lead to massive gains in reliability over time. They prefer proven, robust technology over flashy gimmicks that might fail down the road. This mindset values long-term dependability above all else. This philosophy is backed by some of the most rigorous manufacturing standards in the world. Walk into a Japanese car factory and you'll witness an incredible display of precision and attention to detail. From the robots that weld with pinpoint accuracy to the human workers who are empowered to stop the entire production line if they spot even the tiniest imperfection. Quality control is paramount. This system, often called the Toyota production system, has been studied and copied worldwide. It's designed to eliminate waste, improve efficiency, and most importantly, ensure that every single car that rolls off the assembly line meets an exceptionally high standard of quality. They don't just build cars, they craft them with a sense of pride and responsibility. Another key factor is their approach to design and engineering. Japanese cars are often praised for their sensible design, but they are engineered for the real world, not just for the showroom floor. This means using high-quality materials that are built to withstand the test of time. Designing components that are easy to access and replace, and ensuring that maintenance is straightforward and affordable. Think about it. A car is only as reliable as its weakest part. By focusing on simplicity and functionality, Japanese engineers reduce the number of things that can go wrong. This practical approach not only makes the cars last longer, but also keeps the cost of ownership low, which is a huge win for consumers. But it's not just about how the cars are built, it's also about how they're tested. Before a new model even hits the market, it undergoes exhaustive testing in all kinds of extreme conditions. We're talking about scorching deserts, frozen tundras, and grueling city traffic. They simulate years of wear and tear in just a few months to identify and fix potential weaknesses. This long-term testing ensures that the vehicle is prepared for whatever you might throw at it. They aren't just trying to make sure the car survives its warranty, period. They're building it to be a reliable companion for many, many years. Finally, we can't ignore the role of the owners themselves, because Japanese cars have earned this reputation for reliability. Owners are often more invested in maintaining them properly. But they know that with regular service and by using genuine parts, their vehicle can easily pass the 200,000 or even 300,000 mile mark. Dealerships and independent mechanics are well versed in servicing these cars, and parts are widely available and affordable. This creates a positive feedback loop. The cars are built to be easy to maintain, so owners maintain them well, which in turn makes them last even longer. It's a shared commitment to longevity from the factory floor to the owner's garage. So, the secret to the durability of Japanese cars isn't really a secret at all. It's a powerful combination of a cultural commitment to continuous improvement, strict manufacturing standards, sensible engineering, rigorous testing, and a dedicated owner base. It's a philosophy that prioritizes reliability over short-term flair, resulting in vehicles that don't just get you from point A to point B, but do so dependably for years and years to come. That's why when you invest in a Japanese car, you're not just buying a mode of transportation, you're buying peace of mind. What do you think? Do you own a super reliable Japanese car? Share your stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Connix for more content. We'll see you in the next one.